Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve the problem. The problem is that your Telegram app is stuck on connectivity. Just like that, when I go to my Telegram, I'm not signed in because in my region currently Telegram is banned. When you check the list of countries where Telegram is banned, you'll see that Pakistan is also included. So make sure you first check if Telegram is banned in your country or not before trying to use it. If you still want to use Telegram, simply download any VPN app from the Play Store or App Store on your iPhone or iPad. Then connect the VPN to a country where Telegram is currently working fine. Make sure you select that country in the VPN settings. After turning on the VPN, just open Telegram, sign in with your number, verify it with the code, and then you'll be able to use Telegram without any problems. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.